Creamy, cheesy and impossible to resist. Let's make the classic mac and cheese in the new Philips OneChef. Today we'll use the non-stick cooking pot and the special glass lid for this. Press the power button, select boil mode followed by pasta preset and press start. To the cooking pot, add the required amount of water, macaroni pasta, a little bit of salt and let boil for 12 minutes at high heat. Once done, strain the pasta and set aside. To make the mac and cheese, select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. Add butter to the cooking pot. Once melted, add chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Add milk, fresh cream, boiled pasta, salt to taste, chili flakes, crushed black pepper, oregano and let cook for 5 more minutes. Add grated pizza cheese and cheddar cheese, mix well and cook for 6 more minutes at high heat. चीज़ अच्छे से मेल्ट हो तभी तो मज़ा है. Transfer the prepared pasta to a serving dish and serve hot. Simple ingredients, serious satisfaction. Made with love in Philips OneChef. It's all you need.